Customer expectations are changing. What was good customer service yesterday is simply not good enough anymore. For the car business, this creates new challenges and new opportunities. At Connected Cars, we've created a proven solution that provides intelligent, proactive monitoring of vehicles which benefits everyone from the importer to the car owner and is easy to deploy, maintain and use. With more than 100,000 current deployments, the benefits are very concrete. Imagine a car owner driving along, running her daily errands. Her car is about to have a mechanical issue. Soon she will need to take her car to the workshop. Without proactive monitoring of her car, she probably won't know that there is an issue until it's too late, and the minor issue has become a major inconvenience. With our solution installed in her car, not only will she be notified of any issue in time, she'll also find her workshop appointment is being arranged and prepared for her by her chosen workshop in a timely fashion. Now, imagine a fleet manager. He is responsible for a fleet of connected vehicles. This means he can stay ahead of any potential breakdowns, allowing him to be proactive and keep his drivers informed. Similarly, the fleet manager's chosen workshop running our solution can proactively plan service appointments and make sure that the shop is ready when needed with the right parts and staff in place. With Connected Cars, workshops gain valuable insights that enable them to provide a better customer service by engaging in a dialogue that is data-driven and therefore better in tune with the customer's needs. For workshops and workshop managers, this means increased efficiency and better dialogue with the customers. For car owners and fleet managers, this translates to less friction and increased brand loyalty.